In 2024, the Lagos State justice system received a boost with the signing of 5 bills into law by Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. The laws include the Lagos Consumer Protection Agency Law, Lagos Human Organ Harvesting Law, Lagos State Enforcement Training Institute Law, and the Victims Assistance Witness Protection Law. Maogbe Josu tells us more.
In the year 2024, the Lagos State Special Offences Mobile Court, in collaboration with the Task Force Special Offences Enforcement Unit, sensitized residents and motorists on traffic violations, environmental offences, indiscriminate waste disposal, open defecation, crossing major highways, and other offences which are punishable under the Transport Sector Law of Lagos State 2018.
Government has set up to curb these environmental, road traffic offences and other special offences that are minor. These type of offences should not be taken to our regular courts and congest the court further. That's why we have the mobile courts, and this sensitization, we are trying to go around the cities.
These problems have hindered our progress and have also posed serious threat to our safety and well-being. Traffic violations such as reckless driving, speeding, and disregard for traffic rules have become a commonplace on our roads.
In the same year, the 2024 Restorative Justice Week was held with a call for more implementation of restorative justice system as against the criminal justice system, which only focuses on punishment and retribution.
The concept of restorative justice is rooted in healing and reconciliation, focuses on fostering dialogue between offenders, addressing the harm that has been done, and also promoting accountability.
Restorative justice is more than a mechanism for resolving disputes. It is a philosophy that prioritizes healing, reconciliation, and the restoration of dignity to individuals and communities affected by crime and conflict.
Speakers who stressed the importance of funding for the system sought synergy among government agencies, the judiciary, civil society groups, and community leaders.
The RJ Center requires consistent funding to ensure facilitators are supported. A dedicated RJ fund could be established, supported by the government and donor agencies like RULAC. 2, strengthen collaborations. We need to strengthen partnerships, particularly with the police, who have yet to make any RJ referrals at all. This is a critical gap that we must address. Training sessions for police officers and RJ principals could significantly improve referrals.
In the year under review, Lagos State Office of Public Defender marked Orange the World Day to reassure residents of safety from abuse, violence, and other related issues.
Lagos State government is guaranteeing your safety everywhere and always. Because without safety and security, no one can thrive. Okay, even safety from abuse, safety from violence, safety from any kind of oppression within Lagos State.
In the same year, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu signed 5 more bills into law to protect and empower the rights of Lagos residents.
Section 25 provides for registration of transplant biobanks and regulation of hospitals conducting the removal, storage, transplantation of human organs. Under this section, biobanks are required to be registered with the agency. Section 45 provides for restriction on removal of organs from minor or mentally challenged persons.
Victims Assistance and Witness Protection Law provides that victims and witnesses testifying on a case in court are protected, supported, and invulnerable.
Section 50 in particular of that law makes provision that it is the duty of hospitals and medical facilities to give immediate medical attention to certain victims in cases of emergency and get reimbursed for the cost of the treatment in situations where the victim is indigent or the family members cannot be reached. The law provides for the establishment of the Victim Assistance and Witness Protection Trust Fund. It is a trust fund to be managed by the agency from which compensation to victims and other incident expenses will be defrayed.
While assuring of improved justice administration in year 2025, Commissioner for Justice Lawal Pedro urged residents to familiarize themselves with these laws and to actively engage in their enforcement. Maugbe Josu, LTV News.